Do you need to combine your HubSpot blog articles, or maybe you just need to move an article or two? No worries. In this video, that's exactly what we're going to show you how to do. Ready for some happy HubSpotting? Then hey, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right. It's your boy George B. Thomas from SprocketTalk.com bringing you yet another HubSpot educational video. If you're a sales, marketing, or service professional looking to learn more about HubSpot and inbound strategies to help your business grow, then guess what? You're in the right spot. Make sure you subscribe to keep learning more and use the comment section below to ask us all the inbound and HubSpot questions that you may have. So today's tutorial, moving your HubSpot blog articles. There are several reasons you may want to do this. You may want to consolidate your blog articles, or maybe you added a type of content and the article is better served on a different template, or maybe you just came up with a new idea and you need to shuffle your already awesome content around a bit. Either way, HubSpot has made it simple to move your blog articles around from one blog to the other. Now, with that said, let's dive into the HubSpot blog tool and get to the good stuff. All right, so here we are in the HubSpot blog tool. And the first thing that you want to do is go to the actual blog that has the article that you want to move. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and do the drop down and I'm going to go to the hub. And in this tutorial, what I'm doing is moving the what is videos over to the new Sprocket Talk blog. So I have this What is HubSpot Academy, and I want to move this blog article. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on this edit button right here. And then once the page loads, I'll come over here to settings. And then what I want to do is actually click the little pencil to edit this URL. Now what's nice is HubSpot handles all the technical stuff. You can see that it says edit URL, update will change the URL of your live page and add a redirect from the old URL. So you really don't have anything to worry about as you're making this change. The redirect can be overridden later by publishing a new page to the old URL. So we'll go ahead and then click this update. And then you're gonna see we have the blog and then the slug and then the content slug. So what is HubSpot Academy? At first you might think you're supposed to click in here and actually change the slug, but you'll see that the blog slug is set by the selected blog. So the only thing you have to do is click on this drop down and then scroll to the blog that you want, in this case the Sprocket Talk blog. Go ahead and click on that and notice it changes that slug to blog. Now here's the fun part. You've got content and you see all the modules over here from this blog template. But if we go ahead and hit update, we're going to get another warning here that says publish blog post. It's just talking about that you've scheduled this blog post for a date that has passed. The timestamp on your post will automatically be and the time that it originally was. And subscribers to your blog and social network followers won't receive updates. That's exactly what I want. Again, HubSpot is taking care of all the technicals for me. Now, if I've optimized this, I may choose to select a different date, but in this case, I'm not going to, and I'm going to actually hit update blog post. Now, in the beginning of this video, I talked about reasons why you might want to do this. What's cool is, notice I'm still on What is HubSpot Academy, but when I come in here and I actually click the edit button, I'm now going to be presented with the new template. So where I had a bunch of modules before, I have a few modules this time. And the biggest one is that we have a video blog section. So instead of this image here for HubSpot Academy, maybe I want to come over here to YouTube and I actually want to grab this link to the video, What is HubSpot Academy? Come over to the video blog section, tell HubSpot that it's a YouTube video, go ahead and paste that link in there. And of course, I only need the YouTube ID because it's magic. If I want to go ahead and give it the blog image, I can upload or browse my images that I have. To keep this tutorial succinct, we'll just go ahead and hit apply changes. And you're going to see that now I have a video on the new template that I want to use because I moved my blog article into that new section. The other reason that we're doing this is because, well, we want to have all of our 15-minute strategy podcast, inbound speaks, and what is content in the same blog that everybody can get to for free, and that is sprockettalk.com/blog. So if you need to move your articles around in HubSpot, you now know how to get that done. It's that simple. Did you like this video? Then head over to SprocketTalk.com for more actionable and tactical HubSpot user videos, tools, and other resources. Make sure you subscribe as well for instant notifications and so that we know that you're part of the Sprocket Talk community. Until next time, make sure you're focused on being a happy, helpful, humble human, and as always, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.